warm welcome to Dolphin 254, a channel here in Kenya that keeps you updated on all the infrastructural developments happening in the country. So as you can see my background, I'm back here at the Southern Bypass Interchange. I'm gonna be updating you on the current conditions of Nairobi Expressway. Yeah, I mean the lower part of Nairobi Expressway. You remember the previous video that I did? This is where I started the video going towards Westlands. But today hatuendi Westlands, leo tunaenda all the way hadi Mlolongo. So stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to the end. If you're already loving this, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing today, okay? So stay tuned, let me show you around. So as you can see, I'm starting today's video here at Southern Bypass. This is because most of you commented in my videos asking me to show you the lower part of Nairobi Expressway towards Mlolongo. So I'm so impressed because I've seen some roadworks happening there. At the Killer Bridge at Mlolongo, something is happening there. Let me not talk much. Just watch the video till the end. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing to this channel today. And if you're already loving this video, give it a thumbs up, okay? Msininyime like, just like, share. Towards the General Motors, but before then you'll be seeing Samia Business Park on my left. So we are currently using the old Mombasa Road. Yeah, this is the road that most Kenyans have been complaining that it should be recarpeted, but I think from Southern Bypass up to this far the roads are in good shape. They are marked, they are just fine. So let's go. I'm taking you all the way to Mlolongo. Yeah, we want to see the current condition of the old Mombasa Road. So we are headed to General Motors. Yeah, you can see this bridge at General Motors. Hey, the roads are so busy today, being a Saturday. Movements ni mingi sana. Kuna jam kibao. So I think you can notice this is the stretch of Nairobi Expressway where the roads are on the same level. Yeah, the roads are not elevated. Yeah. On my left is the brand new mall, the Imara. By the way, this mall has completely changed the face of this area. Yeah, it looks awesome. Wow, the Eastern Bypass toll station. We are now headed to the Eastern Bypass Interchange. Yeah, iko hapo inaitwaje City Cabanas. So this is the Eastern Bypass toll station. This is how it looks. The Eastern Bypass Interchange. We've just passed the Eastern Bypass Interchange. Yeah, there it is. Oh, I really love the fact that flowers on Nairobi Expressway around this area are doing just okay. They have not dried up. Ziko sawa. petrol station. Around this area there's a lot of traffic. Sijui watu wanaenda wapi. Where are people going? So these are the parts of the roads that really need to be repaired. Yeah, the roads are in bad shape around this area. This is the area around Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Where? This is serious. Ile traffic iko hapa ni mambo mbaya. Wow, so we are finally here at this footbridge that really trended. I'm going to go on top of the footbridge. Yeah, this is the footbridge that most of you really complained. So let's go and see how it is. Yeah, people are saying that this is a killer footbridge. I don't know why they are saying that. So I decided to stop here at the footbridge. I want to go on top of it. So I'll be going on top of the footbridge now. The footbridge is just at the middle of the road. For you to come and go on top of the footbridge, you must struggle. And at the same place, vehicles are picking and dropping passengers. Will I be able to cross? So guys, I think you've seen the amount of time I've taken there waiting to come on top of the footbridge. I've really waited for quite a long period of time. So this is how the footbridge looks like. I'm gonna be taking you on top of it so that you can see how it looks like from above. So I think there is a plan of extending the footbridge. Yeah, initially this is where the footbridge ended, but I think they are extending it so that it can reach to the far end. Yeah, I think this is a good idea. It's really going to help passengers. So let me show you how this part looks like. Oh my God. Nairobi Expressway really looks so beautiful from above here. The footbridge is busy because this is where people are dropped and picked. So I want to be going up to down, the other side. Let me just go back. Yeah, let me go back and then we'll be going all the way to Mlolongo. Yeah. If you're already loving this, give it a very big thumbs up. Yes. Yeah, just like. Msininyime like. I do all this since it is my passion to do it, and also I like keeping you updated, especially for my diaspora viewers. This is the channel that keeps you updated on what's happening. So let me just go back to the road, and we will be proceeding towards Mlolongo. So let's proceed now. I do all this due to the passion I have to update you guys. So if you know of any other ongoing project that you want me to showcase in my channel, just leave a comment down below. Yeah, let me know at the comment section below. Let's have a conversation. Some roadworks happening here. Yeah, this is a good sign. Something is going to be done here. I don't know what's going on. Do they want to recarpet this place, or do they want to add some lanes? I don't know. If you know what's happening here, just leave a comment down below. We've just made a turn. We are going back to the overpass. Yeah, at this point we are now going to drive. Is it to drive? We are going back towards Tao. So yeah, we are going back towards Southern Bypass where we started the video. So I just want you to see how the other side of the road looks like. Have seen, nothing much is going on the lower side of Nairobi Expressway compared to the side that I showed you the previous day. Kutoka Southern Bypass to West, at least kuna vitu mob zinaendelea, but hii side ingine the traffic is crazy. Something needs to be done, guys. Oh my God, look at how this road looks like. The place is so busy. They are working on drainage, but still it's causing a lot of jam. So this is the SGR toll station. We are currently around the area of Gateway Mall on my right. A bit of some roadworks around this area. Yeah, you see?